Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.